Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a world of timeless elegance showcasing the most beautiful couple gold ring designs that symbolize love, unity, and commitment. Whether you're planning to propose, celebrating an anniversary, or simply looking for a piece to wear every day, gold rings have an unmatched charm. From traditional to modern, these rings hold deep significance and can capture the essence of your unique relationship. A couple's gold ring isn't just a piece of jewelry. It's a symbol of two hearts coming together. Let's explore the different styles that make these rings so special. First up, we have the classic solitaire gold ring, an elegant choice for engagements. With its simple yet powerful design, a single diamond or gemstone sits proudly in the center, drawing attention to the love that binds you. For those who prefer something more intricate, the halo design is a beautiful option, surrounding the central stone with a circle of smaller diamonds add sparkle and depth, symbolizing the endless nature of love. Then, there's the matching couple's rings. Designed to complement each other, these rings reflect harmony and shared values. The design can range from simple bands to ones, featuring small engravings or gemstones that hold personal meaning. And let's not forget about the minimalist look. For couples who prefer a more understated approach, a clean, polished gold band with no stones can be equally meaningful. It's the perfect symbol of commitment that stands the test of time. Gold also offers a wide variety of finishes, from classic yellow gold to the rich warmth of rose gold, and even the sleek look of white gold. Each color brings out a different feeling and vibe, making it easy to find the perfect one that matches your personal style. For those who love a little extra sparkle, you can choose a design that incorporates both diamonds and colored stones. Whether it's sapphire, emerald, or ruby, these gemstones can represent qualities that you value most in your relationship, such as loyalty, passion, and hope. And if you're thinking about something truly unique, there are many designers who offer bespoke gold rings, crafted specifically to match your love story. From intricate patterns to hidden symbols, these rings are one of a kind, just like your connection. Gold rings aren't just about style, they're about making a statement about your love, your journey, and your commitment to each other. So, take your time and explore all the options until you find the perfect one. Whichever design you choose. One thing's for sure, a couple's gold ring is a treasure that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching today's video on beautiful couple gold ring designs. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more inspiration and tips on jewelry and design. Until next time, may your love shine as brightly as the gold that symbolizes it.